In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best way to start dropshipping on eBay with no money, and also we are going to use CJ Dropshipping for this, the most popular dropshipping website in the world. Okay, it's better than AliExpress, and also the best thing about this is you don't even have to have any money to start this business. I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start this business. It's quick and easy. Okay, now like I said, with no money you can start this business. I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 3 years and I have done more than $100,000 in sales. So it's not profit. I'm not some millionaire on anything like that. I'm still learning. I'm still making mistakes till this day, but I am improving every single day. Now in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about how you can start eBay dropshipping with no money. Okay, now you just want to give me your attention, and I'm going to show you how you can start this. Now first thing you want to do, guys, you want to create an account on CJ Dropshipping. It's a very popular website, more popular than any e-commerce website, okay, including AliExpress. Now a lot of people use CJ Dropshipping, especially dropshippers or like Shopify dropshippers. They are using CJ because of the shipping time. Okay, it's very quick and people will receive the item and you will leave positive feedback on your eBay store without any problem compared to AliExpress. On AliExpress, like the shipping time is very long. Okay, that's why I don't use AliExpress anymore. Like it's just terrible. Like the shipping time is sometimes like 30 days and that's a lot. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how you can use this. Now first thing you want to do, guys, you want to create an account on CJ. You want to just click on register in the top right, and you want to just register using your Google account or Facebook. It will give you a few different options for that. Okay, now after you create an account on CJ Dropshipping, you want to click on authorization in the top left and select eBay. Okay, now CJ will do everything for us. It will ship the product, it will send the message to customers, it will do everything. The only thing you do is you find a winning product, which I am going to show you how you can do that right now. Now after you click on eBay, you want to click on add store, and CJ will take you directly to your eBay. And if it doesn't take you directly to your eBay, just want to copy the eBay username and paste it there and click on confirm. Now if it took you to this page just like me, you want to click on agree and continue. Okay, so that we can connect our CJ to our eBay. Okay, now CJ needs to be connected to eBay so that it will like source and it will fulfill your orders after you receive after you receive sales on your eBay store. Now after that, guys, we have successfully linked our eBay to our CJ Dropshipping. Now the reason why, guys, we have to connect it or link it, like I said, is it will do everything for us. Okay, now what you need to do now is you just want to list CJ products. As you can list now, if it doesn't take you to this page, you just want to find any product on their page, products that you need to do. Now this is the only thing that needs work from you, is this. You want to find products that are proven to work on eBay. You want to go to eBay and see what other sellers are selling and find that item here and list the exact same item. Don't just list anything here you find here, because you are not going to get a lot of sales. Now after you find the item, for example, you just say that I want to list this item. Now after you find the item, as you can see, this is how the item looks. If you scroll down, you want to click on a list. Okay, and after you click on list, where it says here store in the top, you want to select your eBay. Now I have linked even my Etsy account, so I do dropshipping from CJ to Etsy. And yeah, for you just want to select your eBay, or your eBay will be there automatically, because you only have one account linked to your CJ, which is your eBay account that you have linked right now. Now after you make sure you see here your eBay username, and what you need to do, guys, next is make sure you select USA here. As you can see, select USA, and yeah, after you select USA, the listing site. Okay, it's up to you to select what you want here. Now make sure you have increased your like selling limit on your eBay, okay? Because If you have only 10 on your selling limit, it's probably like it's hard to list this product, okay, because it has a lot different variation. For example, it has like let me check. Okay, it has like 12 different variation. So you want to go to your eBay, click on my eBay, click on selling, and see how many listings you have here. As you can see, I have 200, so I am able to list 200 items. Now after you see this, guys, you want to go back and you want to select here where it says your price. Okay, this is the price that CJ will charge every time you sell this item. CJ will take off the money, will take $4, as you can see. Now you have to enter here your price. It's up to you. I would say $10. Okay, again $10. You want to enter $10 for all these different variations. $10 again, $10 again, $10. Do that manually. Okay, 10 10 10. Yeah, if you don't have enough selling limit, find other items that don't have different variations. Okay, now I'm going to add here different items. Yeah, after you add the price, you want to add the quantity here. Okay, the quantity, I would say if you don't have enough selling limit, just select one. Okay, select each one of these. You want to select one. Okay, one. I'm going to scroll down again, one. And after you finish, guys, this, I'm going to tell you guys what to do next. Now, like I said, after you list this product on your eBay, if someone buys this product from you, CJ will do everything for you. They will ship that item to your customer without you doing anything. Okay, they will do every single thing. That's why, guys, I told you can start this business with no money. Okay, now after that, you want to click on sell it now. Now make sure, guys, you open your store on eBay, because I make sure you open, you add the payment method. As you can see, I didn't add the payment method. Now make sure you add here the payment method and everything. See, like, create a store on eBay. If you don't know how to create a store, you want to go to YouTube and search for how to create eBay store, so that you don't receive this message, because your account is not set up for selling. That's why you will receive a message like this: listing failed. You want to add the payment method on eBay. Okay, that's it. You just want to click on payments and you want to enter here your credit card and enter everything here. Okay, now after you enter here your credit card and stuff like that, then you can go back and do the same steps and you will be able to list this item. And if someone buys it from you, you just keep the profit. Okay, you will only keep the profit and you don't even have to do anything. That's why you can start this business with free money, with no money, I'm sorry. So if this video, guys, helped you, if you need any questions, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Like I said, drop a like and see you guys next.